If you're in the business of making and selling vinyl decals, this video is for you. Today we're going to share several tools that will make your life a lot easier and potentially will save you a lot of money in the long run. So let's get started. And the first tool is Rapid Tag, but not only Rapid Tag, actually any kind of application fluid will do. We use this tool for layering vinyl using the wet method. This method is perfect when you don't want to use registration marks or when you are way too busy to apply your registration marks to your designs. We also use this when it's too hot outside when working outdoors because you have a few seconds to reposition your decal if needed. Another reason we use this fluid is to prevent bubbles. And last but not least, we also use this to clean the surface as we get better results instead of using just water. If you will be applying vinyl decals, the next tool, you definitely need to get it. Goof is one of the best adhesive removers out there. Sometimes you will have to remove old stickers, and to be able to remove that adhesive from those stickers, the best tool that you can find is Goof, and that's why you should get this tool. If you are liking this video, we would really appreciate it if you gave us a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell to get notified next time we upload a video. Thank you so much. Every time we work on a customer's vehicle, we always treat it like if it was ours or even better than that. And that's the reason we are always investing and looking for different tools to accomplish that. And that's the reason we recommend you guys get the blue tape as well as the microfiber towels to take care of your customers' vehicles. Here's another great tool that you should get. A heat gun can be very handy, although we do not recommend it, but as you can see here in the video, we decided to go ahead and take on a very small job and the temperature was really bad. It was extremely cold and we decided to use the heat gun to get rid of the ice, but again, I do not recommend this. Sometimes you will find that when removing old decals, especially when they've been sitting there for quite some time, all you have to do is just apply some heat with the heat gun and you will be able to remove them a lot easier. Our next tool can save you a lot of money. Every time we take our measurements to make sure our decals are aligned and center, we use our little magnets. They make the process a lot easier. If you get plenty of them, you can use those magnets instead of using tape to apply your vinyl decals. They may not work for every project, but they are totally worth the investment, and that's why you should get more than 4. Sometimes when working with decals, you will find that every time you cut the backing paper using scissors, you get some kind of residue from the backing paper. To avoid that, we recommend that you get the cutting knife, as it cuts the backing paper very cleanly. You should also get this plastic cutting knife. We use it to cut vinyl between doors and windows. Remember to stick the vinyl from the inside. This will prevent dust and dirt from sticking to your vinyl. To be able to carry all of those tools, we recommend that you get a tool bag. That way you have really close access to your tools whenever you need them. If you've been watching us for some time now, you have noticed there's usually 2 of us working on every project. We know not having enough help can be a real challenge, and that's why we want to recommend the tape application rollers. Getting this tool is almost like getting an extra pair of hands. The more you practice, the easier it'll be to use it. If you own a Cameo 4 12 inches, you can use this same very tool when cutting your vinyl. Remember that you don't really need to use a cutting mat every time. Also remember that you can make bigger decals with this same very machine. If you want to learn more about how to change your settings in Silhouette Studio, just make sure you follow the link on your top right hand side. The application rollers make it really easy to use big rolls of vinyl, and your vinyl stays aligned for way longer. If you're going to be making vinyl decals, do not limit yourself to just making vinyl decals for vehicles, because you can also apply them on car magnets, vinyl banners, yard signs, and a whole bunch of different products. Remember to try to make the best of your vinyl cutter by selling car magnets, and for that you will need all the tools that you see here to be able to cut your magnets. Also, make sure to get your blank, yard signs. Everything will be in the description of the video. To get better results, remember to round the corners on your car magnets, and there will be a link to this machine in the description of the video. If you can get a bigger one, that'll be a lot better. If you guys like this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Also turn on the notification bell, that way you get notified next time we upload another video. We appreciate all your support. Thank you so much.